You're such a good sport having the cat fall in you.
Make him jump.
Go, Watson. Sitting on it. Ready?
Oh! You were a good sport about that, Keith. Oh, I better go. I better go. I better go. You gotta hide it. Hide it, and then that'll just drive him crazy. Good job, Watson. Good job. We're playing with the cat, Sana. We're playing with the cat. You better come.
Oh.
I knew this would get you in.
Oh, you big baby, what are you doing? Huh?
Hi, Sana.
What is it?
Smile. Say cheese. Oh, what? Cheese? Who said cheese?
What cheese? There is nobody out there. What are you barking at?
She's trying to distract attention from Watson.